Why is the electron crucial for atomic theory today? Imagine trying to understand what makes up everything around us without knowing about the tiny particles inside atoms. It's like trying to solve a puzzle with missing pieces. That's where the electron comes into play. The discovery of the electron in the year 1897 by J.J. Thomson changed how scientists see matter forever. It proved that atoms are not just simple, indivisible units but are made up of even smaller parts. This was a major shift in science and opened the door to many new ideas about how matter and energy work. Before the electron was found, many believed atoms were the smallest building blocks of everything. But J.J. Thomson's experiments with cathode ray tubes showed that these rays were actually streams of negatively charged particles, which he called electrons. He was able to measure their charge-to-mass ratio and found that electrons are incredibly light compared to atoms. This meant electrons are tiny, negatively charged particles inside atoms. This discovery proved that atoms have internal parts and are not just solid, indivisible spheres. Initially, Thomson suggested a model where electrons were spread out inside a positively charged ball, like raisins in a pudding. But later experiments by Ernest Rutherford revealed that most of the atom's mass and positive charge are concentrated in a tiny core called the nucleus. Electrons orbit around this nucleus, much like planets around the sun. This model helped scientists understand how atoms behave and how they bond to form molecules. Electrons are essential because their arrangement around the nucleus determines how atoms interact. They influence how elements combine and how chemical reactions happen. The way electrons are arranged explains the structure of the periodic table and why different elements have unique properties. Quantum theory, which describes electrons as both particles and waves, has given us a detailed picture of how electrons occupy specific energy levels and orbitals. This understanding helps us develop new materials, medicines, and technologies. Knowing about electrons has led to the creation of many modern devices like computers, smartphones, and medical imaging machines. Without understanding electrons, these innovations would not be possible. The discovery of the electron was a turning point in science. It transformed the idea of what an atom is and sparked a century of research that continues to deepen our knowledge of matter and energy. Today, electrons remain at the heart of atomic theory, helping us unlock the secrets of the universe one tiny particle at a time.